Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can dance in the dance studio without using emotes in Brookhaven. Please do not mind the back. I just cannot take off my jacket here from my avatar, so I'm just going to wear this. So this is the dance studio, and as you can see on the floor, you'll see white patches of white square patches, and if you step on it, you will automatically dance. As you can see, there are a few dances that you can do. When you're done, you're just going to press the space bar. There's another one here where it looks like you're stretching, and there's another one in this area which is like a spinning one. There's one here as well where it looks like you're stretching again and doing that like ballerina pose. And there's also one here. And I think that's pretty much it, really. Super cool. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. You can also do yoga if you want to by clicking on these options. I'm not sure how you can do the poses though. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.